morning, Indira Shah here. Today let me show you how to make chana choor with this black chana. Okay, black chana is supposed to be very nutritious, high in protein. Doctors say that you should consume this in any form at least once a week. Okay, what you should do is soak this chana for about 8 hours in fresh water after washing twice. Okay, now once this is soaked for 8 hours, cook with very little soil for 3 whistles. You should not cook it in such a way that it get mashed. Okay, you should cook it in such a way that if you press it, you should be able to press it. Now after cooking, drain out the water and then you have to press like this for making chana choor. Yeah, just press it with your fingers. Okay, then what you need is green chili, 1 or 2 according to your family taste, and then finely cut onion. Okay, and then this is coriander, then lime juice. Lime again is optional. You can put chaat masala, but chaat masala is over in my house, so I am using the lemon. Okay, but salt I have already added in this. And then you need oil for frying. Okay, now let me crush here. I have already crushed all this. I am going to deep fry it. Now let the oil get heated, then I will show you how to deep fry it. Okay, now let me crush all of them. See, just press it. See, it's very easy to make chana choor. This will be very tasty, for tea time or in between lunch and breakfast. Anytime you can eat it. So this also you can make it, keep it in the place of salad. Here, I have crushed all of them. Now I have to deep fry it. Okay. Now, when you put this chana choor into the oil, removing will be very tough because it's very tiny. So what I'm going to do is, here, I'm going to put it in this little by little, and I hold this with this, and then here. Here, this is fried. Let me put it in a bowl. See, put it again like this. Allow it to fry for about 3-4 minutes till it is crispy. It should become crispy. If you do not want to use green chili, you can use red chili powder also. But then green chili always tastes better. When there is option, you can certainly make use of it. But then you have to remove the water completely. Okay? After cooking it, remove the water and spread it on a cotton towel to remove the water. Otherwise, when you put it in the oil, it may start spluttering. See, you can feel the crispness. Here, this is done. I'll just put off the stove. Let me drain out the oil completely. See, you can hear the sound. See, it should make sound like this. That means it is crispy enough. Okay, now let me just put all these things in a bowl. Here, this is crispy enough. Now I am going to add green chili and onion and the coriander, finely cut and washed coriander, and then squeeze the lime. Now just mix it. You can also add cucumber, carrot, beetroot, boiled potatoes, boiled sweet potatoes, anything of your choice. Okay, this will be very tasty chana chor. Please try it and give me back your sincere feedback. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. I'm not adding any extra salt because I've already added salt in the chana. So thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Vitvela.